So for this exercise, we're going to use Illustrator and Photoshop to create this flash image of a snowboarder inside a star. We start off with Photoshop, and I'm just going to create a new file, file new. My size then, web and 600 by 800, and OK. File, place my image in the center, and if I just go and get that, and place the image. We don't have to do anything more than that. Make sure we're showing the layers in Photoshop, and you can see now the top layer indicates the image in place. When I'm happy where that is, press the OK button, and you can see that this indicates it's still a smart object. The next stage then is to go over to Adobe Illustrator. Here we're going to create our star flash shape. Draw out the star. I've chosen to add additional points to my star. Once you have the star in place, then you want to make sure that your star is filled with black and then there is no stroke on the star. So it's just a simple black fill. Once that's in place, with the selection tool, you can copy the image and then Command Tab back to Photoshop, where you can edit and paste the image as a smart object, and this will come in on top of the layers, creating a third layer. When you're happy with the size, alternatively you can adjust the size before accepting that with the return key on the keyboard. And there you can see that this is a smart object too. Place the shape, your star shape, underneath your photograph on the layer, and now move your cursor and select your snowboard image in between the two images, holding down the Alt key and then click. And you can see now that the image is cut into the star shape there. The next stage then is to create the graded background. Select your background on the layers. At the bottom of the layers, you'll see you have your Create New Fill and Adjustment layer. Click on that, and then you have an option of Pattern, Gradient and Solid Color. Choose the gradient. In here you can see by default you get the grey and transparent option. Click over the window. There you get a number of options. Choose one of these options. When you've chosen the option, it'll come in below and you can change those colours to the colours that more suit your illustration. I'm going to change the yellow. Click in the yellow box, double click in the yellow box and choose a more suitable colour. There we go. And OK. I can make any other alterations that I want to this as well. And then OK. If at some stage I want to go back and change that and edit what I've done, I simply double click and I can make any alterations in here. So OK and OK. Finally then, I'm going to add an outline to my star shape, and that's done in the effect style there. So you can open that, go to stroke, and then your colour, you can select the desired colour in there. OK that. Make any alterations that are suitable to what you're looking for and click OK. And there you can see you have the final image in a star shape. If you're going to use this image then, once you've saved file and save as a Photoshop document, you can then go and file and save for web and devices. And then you'll have a JPEG ready for use on your website.